Hello affiliate marketers, welcome back to my progress update video. And I've set up these automated websites about 6 months ago, more or less. I've set these up about 4 of them, and today I'm going to share with you some traffic stats and any income I've generated, and I'll leave links down below about the tools and plugins I've used to set up these automated websites, and also tutorials on how to set them up. And basically here is my first website, about weight loss, and another website about dog training, and this one's about woodworking. So different niche sites and a survival site. And let's check out some stats. I'm just going to do just the last 90 days stats. For the first one, woodworking.best. And again, I want to mention all these are 100% automatic content generated. I've not done anything to them besides setting up the sites. And all these traffic visitors are organic. I did not buy any traffic or any backlinks. So this one, woodworking, got 51 users, up 64%. And let's check out another one. This is Survival Fan. About 70 users, 176% increase. So traffic is going up slowly but surely. And this one right here is the biggest traffic generator, 473% increase, 300 visitors in the last 90 days for weightloss.pics. Alright, and here's my last website, dogtraining.help, 116 visitors in the last 90 days, and all of my sites are increasing in traffic, not a whole lot, but it's increasing. And I've set up ClickBank products on the sidebars for all my sites, just whatever is related, also some Amazon ads. And so far in the 6 months, I've gotten 1 sale, which is not a whole lot, but I also didn't put in any extra work, and traffic is increasing, so maybe we'll get more sales later on. I will keep you guys updated. And the 1 sale came from this site right here, Dog Training. It is for this product right here, a ClickBank product, which is pretty good looking. Brain training for dogs, and I made $31 in net commission for this 1 sale. And I'll start building some backlinks to all of these sites using SEO services, and I'll make videos on buying some SEO services and building backlinks and social media backlinks to these websites, and I'll keep you guys posted. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for my next video updates. Thanks so much, and happy marketing.